Hi. Did you ever wanted to create powerful 3D games at your home leisure without any knowledge of programming and then make money from them? Well, you are lucky. Introducing Quadron Engine, the best engine for your that does not require any programming whatsoever. Let's get into a few steps on how to create a very basic scene with artificial intelligence, a main player, a sky and some objects. First of all, let's choose New Map, type its name and press Done button. The tutorials list will pop up, but for now close it. Let's add a 3D model in our scene by going to the Add Models button. Select an object from your hard drive by clicking on the plus button. You can rotate it by left-clicking the mouse. After you are okay with the model, press the Done button to import it in the scene. Scale the object. Let's apply a texture to this object. Click the cog icon which represents Object Properties function. Click in Textures button. The Texture Navigator will pop up. Choose the folder where the textures must be displayed, and choose the image that you want. In this case we have a grass texture. You see that the texture is very stretched on the object. The next step is to scale the texture. Select the highest number of unstretching and press OK many times until you see the texture scaling to the normal size. The next step is to add a player start and a main character. Close the Object Properties window and go into the second menu. Here we will find Character Model button. Click on it. This window contains a lot of settings for our main character, such as health, camera distance, animations speed, texture menu, camera collision and much more to play with. For now, we are going to add our character's animations which are represented as keyframes exported from your 3D modeling application. Next step is to add artificial intelligence. Search on the second menu, the Artificial Intelligence button. The same as main character here but only with less settings. We can add animations, set the texture, viewing distance, behavior of our enemy and more. Let's add the animations to come alive. Last step is to add a fancy cursor. Click on the second menu, the Add Cursor button. Second last thing, add a sky to the scene to be more appealing. For now, let's choose a cube object created in a 3D modeling application and textured. This object is represented as a sky object. Lastly, press Level Play button to test the level. We can now see that our player has movement and we can fire with it. The artificial intelligence has its own mind and starts to shoot at us. You can add much more in the scene such as music, sounds, pickups, you name it. Now you can see that you can create games in less than 5 minutes. Coming soon. Go to our website and stay up to date. Thank you for watching and see you next time.